Well, we're up here moving cattle. I'm lucky. I'm in the car following along, but up in the distance I finally caught them. Oh, I'll roll the window down. Here they are, slowly walking along. Be about an hour and a half, 2 hour walk to our paddock in the back. So just needed to move them. The back paddock just didn't have much feed left, so back into the front. Here are two that aren't keeping with the mob. I'm hoping they move along, and clearly the dogs have given up. I'll give them a hand. Go on. Come on. Come on. Go on.
I thought I'd just try to explain why Minnie and Lucy have left these two behind. We've got Sid working with us, and as some of you know, he's a yappy, woofy dog, and he'll pick out a particular cow that responds to him barking at it, and he'll just keep barking at her all the time. And when a dog does that, the other two dogs want to join in and pick on that particular cow as well. But they get back here and get the job done.
High enough that the clouds are down. Still raining. Fantastic. There they are.
Come on, you. 9. 30. 31. 32. 33. 36.
Which is what I had originally counted.
Oh, I'll flog you out of stick. Why are you girls behind the gate? Come on, go.
Sid still looks like he's up for more.
Oh, steamy.
How wet are you?
A little bit moist.
A little bit moist.
At least they're in there. They didn't want to walk in the rain.
We've got to stop doing that.
Come here.
They're all moving off.
Go away. Stop. No, they're not being pushed.
Nobody likes walking in the rain. And do your thing.
Your own bloody thing. I'll run up the front, see where you are, I'll run around the side, see what's going on down there.
At least she lets you pick the spear grass out.
Because I'll beat you, don't you? Beat you with a stick.
Clouds are coming down. Here, there we go. Should be able to see the peak tops, but can't. Ugh. Disgusting dog.
Well, hopefully they'll be able to stay up here with this bit of wet weather and eat this top out.
Excellent. You want a pat?
No, she wants to chase dogs. There's a look in your eye, don't you? She also wants to chase dogs. Have they been harassing you? All the time harassing the poor mum. Possibly my best cow.
She is.
Mm-hmm.
Is that Miss September?
Yep.
Good.
We will see. Depends how many more good babies you give me. Yes, I know. It's not easy being green, is it? We should head home.
Mm-hmm.
So I can get warm.
Yeah, take your stuff off. Just